Going to the bathroom. It's part of our everyday life, and for decades we've just accepted the stinky, gross, and sometimes socially awkward situation that comes along with it. It is standard to have a fan installed in the bathroom. Unfortunately, it can take 10 minutes for your small bathroom fan to exhaust all the smells from the bathroom to the outside. Not to mention the fact that you are literally blowing money away as you pump out your heating or air conditioning for an entire room to the outside. Human beings have had to deal with this issue for way too long. I would like to introduce you to the FreshAirPlus, the newest innovation in toilet seats. This innovative patented vented seat is simply activated by a flip of a bathroom light switch. Odors and aerosol that contain contaminants such as germs, bacteria, and viruses are then inconspicuously exhausted outside the residence or building. This air is exhausted quickly, straight from the toilet to the outside, which immediately keeps the air in the bathroom fresh for the person using the bathroom and keeps it pleasant for the next person that comes in. Once you've done your business, the anti-slam lid closes slowly to avoid any loud noises, and then you exit, with the bathroom smelling just as pleasant as when you entered. You can see with your own eyes how efficiently the fresh air removes odors from the toilet, so they will not reach your nose. Plus, your heating and cooling costs are reduced, since you don't have to turn on the vent for 10 minutes to vent out all the bad odors of the entire bathroom. Millions of people try and mask the problems with air fresheners and candles. But why spend the money on buying more and more products to make the air in your bathroom smell better? Wouldn't you prefer something that makes your bathroom smell fresh forever? Really, once you've tried the FreshAirPlus, you will never want to go back to a regular toilet seat. To install the FreshAirPlus, just attach the seat to your current toilet. Plug in the seat to any standard wall socket, and then run the exhaust hose to a vent that goes outside. It's that easy. We hope this project makes you realize that just because it's the way it's always been done, doesn't mean it's the way it should be done. With your help, we can put a fresh spin on going to the bathroom and save you money in heating and cooling costs. Find more information at FreshAirUS.com. Fresh Air Toilet Seat. A minor change that makes a major difference. We are pleased to introduce you to our product. Fresh Air Toilet Seat features a built-in exhaust fan that removes unpleasant smells from inside the toilet itself and prevents the unpleasant smell spreading to the bathroom. The restroom occupant is no longer inconvenienced with odors composed of tiny particles of feces containing different pathogenic bacteria. The bathroom air will always be clean and fresh. The fan automatically starts to operate and remove odors when a person sits on the toilet seat, and automatically switches off 30 seconds after the person gets up from the toilet. Our team has done a great job for 3 years and is pleased to introduce a new prototype with a beautiful design, larger in comparison with the first prototype of the seat venue. This will be useful to people with a larger build. We also took into account all the shortcomings that have been identified in the first 2 prototypes. We now feature a more powerful fan and an easily detachable fitting for the exhaust trunk. We will also use an external transformer to ensure that the inside of the seat will be supplied only with 12 volts. This makes use of the seat even more secure. People who have used our products never want to go back to a conventional toilet seat. Introducing Fresh Air Toilet Seat, the product that completes the upgrade to a fully modern bathroom. What it is. Fresh Air Toilet Seat is simple, but an extremely effective change to the way odor is removed from the bathroom. The typical home now offers an overhead ventilation fan that draws air from the entire room. This creates several problems that were previously thought necessary evils. How it works. The Fresh Air Toilet Seat contains suction ports designed to take suction directly from the toilet bowl. Exhaust goes immediately outside the home or office. Minor change. The only change made is a much smaller and more efficient fan that now draws contaminated air from a much smaller volume, 1 cubic foot rather than 500 cubic feet. Mechanical and electrical connections already exist because of the overhead vent fan. Major difference. The irritating whir of the overhead ventilation fan is now gone, but more importantly, the bathroom never stinks. No more mixed nasal blend of fresh, flowery potpourri and fresh excrement. Of course, the reason the bathroom no longer stinks is the microscopic bacteria no longer has a chance to fill the nose of the current user and, of course, the next user. The entire bathroom is not a landing ground for the particles that otherwise settle on countertops, towels, and toothbrushes. This prevents spreading diseases such as fecal chloroform, hepatitis A, Shigella, and others. Additional benefits. FreshAir's fan consumes only about 1% of the electricity used by overhead vent fans. The smaller air volume means less load on the home's heating and AC unit. No more spending money on chemical air fresheners, which only mask the odor. Durability. FreshAir toilet seats are built to last, with an estimated fan life of almost 100 years under normal conditions. It has a 3-year manufacturer's warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Check it out. It's better to see it once than hear it explained 10 times. View our video with the link on your screen and notice how effective the product is with the smoke demonstration.